Tesla camper room tour. So I'm on a road trip through the Swiss and Austrian Alps for the past 2 weeks, living out of this car. And now you might think, Joel, where is all your stuff? There is actually a lot of stuff in here. It's just stored away very well. I will later put it out for you to see. This is the 2023 Tesla Model X Plaid, and with its 1020 horsepower, it's probably the fastest and most powerful camper car there is, period. And to me, this is also the best adventure car, not only because it offers a lot of room, but also because it drives very comfortable on long road trips, and also you can raise up the suspension. And now I can go off-roading. Unfortunately, Tesla has built the Plaid only as a 6-seater. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. However, because the second row, you cannot fold them down. You can literally just put them forward, like this one is right now, and not fold down. So that's why I have removed the 6th one to have more space. However, now instead of bringing 6 people, I can now only bring 4 people, because this one unfortunately also doesn't fold up again. If I click this button, nothing works because this seat is missing. And also because the seat is missing, I get this error message. However, I heard that apparently there are some kind of dummy plugs that you can plug in here, so the car thinks the seat is inside, so everything else works. However, I couldn't find anything yet, so if you know anything, please let me know in the comments. And because I have removed that seat, I now had to build this podium to level out the bed. But look at this, it's actually so flat now, which is great. So now, if I want to set up the bed, I put in the bedtime driver's profile, so the seat moves forward, so I get more room here. And now I have more stuff underneath, or this is actually my mattress that I'm using, but now I still have this gap, so I left that open so I can reach underneath here for more stuff. And for sleeping, I have not this, that's for the table, I'll get there later, but I also have this extension, so I can put that here as well, so there's more room. And I'm 6'4", 1.92 m, and I fit perfectly in this car. So I'm using the Snuuzu Air mattress, and this one is usually for the Model Y. The only difference here is because in the Model Y you have the seats that fold down and it's wider in the front, and for me it's actually the opposite. It's a little bit more narrow over there than back here. So for that reason I roll it out the opposite way. So actually it's wider on this side, and yeah, but like this it works perfectly. It's just a little bit squeezed in here. However, if I'm just sleeping on my own here, it's totally fine. And also with my girlfriend, it actually works quite well. We have our heads up there though, because usually you have the head in the front here. But yeah, I'm actually not gonna inflate it now. I wanna show you the rest of the setup. Wow, it's getting hot. It was supposed to rain today, but it's blue sky now. Nice. So this plate right here actually has 3 different use cases in the car. I will show you all of them. But usually when I'm driving, I put that behind here, so then I can move this seat back. And this little extension just goes back here. Also move my blanket back here. And now in here we have my small backpack, then the big backpack with all the other clothes, and this is my food basket. Yeah, I have a lot of food in here so I can survive in the nature. And also that thing right here, that's the Starlink Mini, so I have perfect internet wherever I go. Wow, a lot of food. I have designed this so I can easily remove that whole thing. And also this is actually kind of useful because I often sit here when I eat or just when I have a break. And yeah, it works like that as well, but often I just move it back a little bit and then I can sit better. But yeah, this is how I can easily remove it, and it folds like this. And this thing actually even fits in the Frunk. As for the storage room, there's actually more storage here, but I never put something here because I moved the seat forward and back. Yeah, of course we have the seat pockets. It's quite empty, it's only toilet paper here. Here I got wet wipes. That's always great if you cannot take a shower everywhere, just wash yourself with those. Or of course in summer, go in a lake or a river. That's always the most refreshing. And yeah, more stuff in here. I even got these PS controllers because I can actually play games on the screen here. And then on this side, I got my toiletry and something to drink. Oh yeah, and underneath the seat there are shoes. Same on this side, I think. Yeah, shoes and another box. And then of course the craziest compartment down here. And actually what's even more ridiculous, and that's why I love EVs, because they also have a Frunk. I actually want to try something now to show you how ridiculous big the Frunk actually is. I'm gonna put all the stuff and lay it down here on the ground. And the same for the trunk, because there's a lot of stuff in here and this compartment is so deep. Look at this, wow. So I got 2 backpacks with other stuff in it, then a sleeping bag, another sleeping bag. This is the hitch, what is it called, like for the back of the car. Then a hammock, another hammock. Then this is the Starlink, this is just the box. Then this is my book. This is my bucket list planner for you to plan your bucket list items. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description if you want to check it out. Then a pillow for the driver's seats. I got reflector, another filming light, a little mat, camping mat, extra water, raclette grill, my big water bottle, and then this is my cooler. Unfortunately, it's not working anymore. I used to be able to plug it in, but that is broken. So therefore, what I now do is when I'm on a mountain pass with still snow on it, I just take a little bit of snow and put it inside here, so it keeps the stuff cool. I think it's just crazy that all of this fits here. And now, let's go to the front. And even my electric skateboard fits in the front. That's absolutely insane. Wow, look at this. All of this just came out of the front. Climbing gear, we got the cable, we got other Tesla stuff, we got 2 skateboards, my jacket, tent, cooking stuff, shoes, 2 pairs, and 2 camping chairs. That's absolutely insane. By the way, I like to keep the gas cooker in the front of the car. I don't like to have it inside when I'm sleeping there. Yeah, kind of makes sense. I'm pretty sure you didn't expect that so much fits in the car, especially in the beginning when you saw everything stored away. And now look at this, so much stuff. But yeah, how I said, I'm on a road trip for over 2 weeks now, and I did a lot of adventure. That's why the hammocks, the sleeping gear, and then of course also the climbing gear here. I said earlier that this board has 3 different use cases. The first one is of course the bed, but then also I can take that outside and use this thing here that I showed earlier and put that here like this. And I got a table. However, now this is not very stable, so that's why I also thought about that. I got 2 screws here that I can screw in here and here. Then I take a camping chair, et voila. And the third use case is to use it as a working desk. I actually set up another driver's profile called workstation. So the yoke moves down a little bit, and like that, the plate is actually locked in and it's very solid. I can even go out and leave it like that. Then I can take my laptop, I can even plug it in, which is nice. And then what's also cool is I can move out this display, open Google Drive, and have my Google files open here while I do some work here. And by the way, what you can also use instead of that wooden board is this thing right here. That also works. That has the same effect. The only reason why I use the big one is so I can put my elbows on it as well. And in case you're wondering, yeah, Joel, but what are you doing if you need internet and if you're somewhere out in the wild? Therefore, I got the Starlink Mini, and it's very funny because this perfectly fits in here. Obviously, you need to close it because it has to face towards the sky. And then I got internet, and like this I'm able to create those YouTube videos that I upload every Thursday for you to watch and hopefully to inspire you to go car camping as well. So either keep watching something or go on an adventure yourself. I'll see you next Thursday. Bye bye.